Hi everybody. Today's our topic is division of integers. Division of integers. So to know the division of integers, you have to go through multiplication. So division అర్థం కావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ నుంచి డివిజన్లోకి వెళ్దాం. సపోజ్ 9 into -3 is -27. We know this. Plus into minus is minus. 9 3s are 27. From this statement, from this multiplication statement, you can write two division statements. They are -27 divided by 9 equal to, will get -3. And -27 divided by -3 equal to, will get 9. You know this. Suppose 10 divided by 2 5s are 10. Okay, or 10 divided by 5 2s are 10. From this we can write 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. These 2 5s are 10. This multiplication statement we can write as 10 divided by 2 equal to 5, or 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Like this, 9 into -3 equal to -27, we can write as like this, as these two statements. Okay, so here by observing these two, we can conclude that minus this first one, this 27 has minus and 9 has plus, so that means minus divided by plus equal to, will get minus. Division of a negative integer by a positive integer gives a negative integer. Division of a negative integer by a negative integer gives a positive integer. So negative integer divided by negative integer is positive integer. Okay, let us take another one. -9 divided by -3 equal to, so here -9 into -3 equal to, will get 27, plus 27, minus into minus plus. So from this we can write 27 divided by -9 equal to, will get -3, or 27 divided by -3 equal to, will get -9. So from this we can conclude that plus divided by minus is gives minus. Division of a positive integer by a negative integer gives a negative integer. Okay, so next to this we can know. So 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. We know this. So division of positive integer by a positive integer gives a positive integer. Okay, division of positive integer by positive integer is positive integer. Okay, let us observe once again. Division of negative integer by a positive integer gives negative integer. Division of negative integer by negative integer gives positive integer. Division of positive integer by negative integer gives negative integer. Division of positive integer by positive integer gives positive integer. So you can conclude that division of negative integer by negative integer gives positive, positive integer by positive gives positive, and division of negative by positive or positive by negative gives negative. Okay, this is the division of integers. By using this we can do some examples. So let us see that examples. So -100 divided by 5. So actually 100 divided by 5 is 100 divided by 5 is 5 2s are 10, 0, so 0. So that is 100 divided by 5 is 20. So this is 20. But we are dividing negative integer by positive integer. So negative integer by positive integer is negative. Division of negative by positive or positive by negative is negative. Okay. Division of different sign integers is negative. Again, 81 divided by 9. 9 9s are 81. So it gives 9. A negative integer divided by positive integer. Division of negative by positive is negative. Next, 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4 is 4 9s are 36. So 9. A negative integer by negative integer. So division of two negative integers is positive. So plus. So this is the answer. Next, check whether 90 divided by minus 45 is equal to minus 90 divided by 45. So LHS. So what is the LHS? 90 divided by minus 45. So actually 90 divided by 45 is 45 2s are 90. Okay. So it gives 2. So here division of positive integer by negative integer is negative. 90 divided by 45 is 2. Division of negative integer by positive integer, it is also minus. So minus 2 equal to minus 2. Therefore 90 divided by minus 45 equal to minus 90 divided by 45. Okay. So this is the division of integers.